I call tech support scammers, and I hunt them down, and I figure out where they're located, and I report them to the authorities.
What? Thank you for calling Technical Support. You are speaking to Brian. How may I help you?
Hey, Brian. I've got an issue on my computer here. It's saying it's detected the Zeus virus.
Okay. Can you tell me what exactly can you see on your computer screen?
I'm sorry, what was that?
What exactly can you see on your computer screen?
It's a white or a black page with white text, and I can't read it. There's a box over the top that I can't get to go away, and it says that Windows detected a Zeus virus. The infections detected indicate recent downloads, which have created problems on the computer.
Okay, let me do one thing, sir. I connect your computer screen to my secure server. After that, I will diagnose it for you.
Okay.
So just look at your keyboard.
All right.
There is a control key at the bottom left hand side.
Yeah, I see that.
Just next to the control key, there is a window key 4 flag on it.
Yeah, I've got that.
You got it?
Yeah.
Hold down the window key only along with letter R as in Romeo at the same time.
Okay, so the window key and the R key. Yeah, I've got a new box. Run, type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you.
Yeah, you need to type there IE Explore.
Okay, it says LMI3COM support connection.
Yeah. You have to type there a 6-digit code. Can you give me your first name?
Yeah, Michael.
Michael?
Yeah.
Now I'm connecting with you, sir, and my cursor is moving on your computer screen. Can you see this?
Oh, yeah, I do.
Okay. Now I'm connecting with you. Okay, you got this message in your computer.
Yeah.
Windows detected Zeus virus, the infection detected. Okay. Let me diagnose your computer, sir, okay?
Okay, yeah, do whatever you need to do.
You are
I just,
you are using Windows 7 Professional and your manufacturing machine is dull. Okay, it's good. And can you note down this product ID? Just note down your product ID.
Oh, do you need me to write it down?
Okay, don't worry. I will check in my server.
Okay.
This is your product ID and in our secure server, and this is your product ID in your computer. Can you see this? Both are same.
Yeah, it does look like they are.
Yeah. And your computer name is Michael Dell.
Yeah, I mean that's my name, and this is it's a Dell computer.
Okay, and do you have any security in your computer, like an antivirus or any other cleaning security?
My brother-in-law did Windows Defender, I think it was called.
Okay. And how many devices are connected with your computer? Like your iPod, iPad, your iPhone, Android phone, any laptop,
Oh, none of them are hooked up to my computer.
and any devices like Android
Uh,
and iPhone?
yeah, we have two iPhones and an iPad, but they're hooked up through the Wi-Fi.
Okay. Hmm. And who uses computer along with you?
You know, it's really just me. My wife uses it every once in a while, but I'd say like 99% me.
Okay, mostly you are using your computer, nobody else.
Yeah.
Okay, let me check who uses computer along with you. As you can see here, sir, right now 14 people are connecting with your computer.
Oh, yeah, current connections equals 14.
Yeah, and
Huh.
they are the foreign peoples in your computer. As you can see, there are foreign address of in your computer. These are the foreign address of these peoples who are connecting with your computer. And can you see this establish, establish, establish?
Yeah, yeah, I can.
These people are connecting with your computer and they are connecting via your IP address. They are getting your IP address. Can you see this? Michael does.
Yeah, yeah.
They are connecting with your IP address. This is your IP address, and IP address is known by your name. By getting your IP address, they can establish in your computer.
And what's that doing for him though?
Let me check the solution. I have to check all the problems in your computer. What is happening with your computer?
Okay.
Windows error. Can you see this Windows error in your computer?
Yeah, kind of fault bucket.
Yeah, these are the Windows error in your computer, and these are the infected files in your computer. Someone wanted to infect your file. Someone want to corrupt your computer, and this problem comes from this date. Can you see the date?
Yeah, September 7th.
And yeah, and can you tell me who uses computer at this time in the morning?
Well, yeah, that's the thing. That's really early in the morning. I wouldn't have been using it then. I would have been asleep.
Yeah, everyone is sleeping is at that time, but someone is using your computer at this time.
Wow.
Those people who are connecting with their computer, as I show you that someone is connecting with their computer, those people who are using your computer at this time.
So what do you think they're doing with it though?
Sorry, I didn't get you. Can you say it again?
What do you think they're doing with it though? Like why are they connected to it?
Because of fun, they want to do this type of cheaper things, or because of only for fun. They can steal your information and they can infect your computer. Okay, they can infect your computer only for fun, and they can steal your personal and financial information.
Oh
That is
wow.
Zeus virus. That is Zeus virus. That's why your computer got a message of Zeus virus.
And yeah,
This
but
is Zeus virus.
man,
This
that
is Zeus
happened.
virus. That someone is when someone is connecting with their computer, then
That
it's mean
happened
that
like
some.
2 months ago though. I wonder if they've been connected since then.
Okay, and I'm checking about your services, and this is your services in your computer, and most of the services in your computer is stopped. As you can see here, the stop services.
Oh yeah.
There are so many stop services in your computer. These services is not working in your computer.
Wow, there is a ton of them there.
And I have to check your drivers also. This is your system drivers. And oh, uh, this is your main driver, sir. As you can see here, your Microsoft AC Pair driver. Okay, and it is running, but it is in critical condition.
Oh. Oh wow.
Yeah, it's mean that your application are running, but you can lose your application and you can lose your data.
Wow.
And your drivers are also not working properly. There are so many drivers are stopped in your computer right now.
I wonder how I didn't notice this sooner. Wow. So how
That
much
is
how
very
much
serious.
trouble am I in here? Is this am I going to need to buy a new computer?
No, sir, your computer is absolutely fine. This is your network problem. This is problem in your network, okay?
Okay.
Your computer
So,
is absolutely fine. There is no problem in your computer. The main problem that is in your network. Your network is infected and your firewall is also corrupted. Let me show you what is firewall. You know what is firewall?
um yeah, I've heard the term before.
Let me tell you what is firewall. What is the main role of firewall? You know what is the main role of firewall?
Um I know it's like virus protection.
Yeah, but right now your firewall is unprotected.
So, what are we looking at here?
I'm talking about the firewall that like this is your firewall. I'll show you. This is your firewall, okay? And your firewall is infected right now and the foreign peoples who are connecting with your computer through the network.
Okay, yeah. I see what you're saying. So where's the firewall go? Is that part of the Wi-Fi router or the cable box?
Oh, it's maybe the by Wi-Fi or cable connection. It's maybe.
It's maybe there.
Yeah. Right now your PC is totally unprotected because they can steal your personal and financial information. Did you
Yeah.
try to do
So
online banking?
yeah, I do. How do we repair the firewall?
Let me tell you. Firstly, you have to follow some recommendation. Don't do any online banking with your computer. Don't download any free thing. Don't say password in your computer. And the last thing is shut down your PC when your work is done.
Okay.
Okay? These all recommendation only for next 48 hours, okay?
Okay. So that
Firstly,
the
we have to assign a technician. Okay, tell me.
no, I was just trying to understand the cuz I mean I do use the online banking and we pay our mortgage and stuff through our bank that way. So that's only for 48 hours though. After that I can use it
Yeah,
like
yeah, you
normal.
can. After that, you can use your online banking with this computer.
Okay.
And our technician remove virus from your computer. Remove foreign addresses from your computer. Remove affected files from your computer. Repair driver. Start all the services. Those services are stopped in your computer. We have to start all the services.
Okay.
We have to build a new firewall. Okay. Because right now your firewall is infected. We have to build a new firewall for your computer.
Okay.
Our Microsoft technician can build a new firewall for your computer for protect your network and for protect your computer.
Okay.
Our networking team also doing work in this computer. Our network team put security in banking, because right now your banking, if you do online banking, your banking is not safe for right now. We have to secure your banking. Okay.
Okay.
As you can see here, your computer is not working properly.
Yeah, I was seeing that the text kind of got garbled up there.
Yeah. Security in firewall. We have to put security in your firewall. Security. And your password. Because those people who are connecting in your computer, they can know your password. You have to put security in your password also.
Okay, so am I gonna have to change those?
After repairing your computer, you can change your computer password, okay?
Okay.
Repair charges for that is only $99.95 to repair your computer, and we are doing all this work in your computer.
Okay.
And put the McAfee security in your computer, because you have no secure security in your computer, because McAfee is the best security in the world, okay, as you know that.
Okay.
Let me tell you one year plan. If you take security, suppose if you face this kind of problem in future again, we don't take any charges from you, $99.95 in future. We can repair your computer freely if you face this problem in future, okay?
Alright.
The 1 year security is not $99.99. The 3 year security is $249.99. The 5 year security is $449.99. And the last one is the golden security of Microsoft, that is in lifetime. That is $849.99. So which security you want to choose, sir? Can you tell me?
Well, it's kind of a hard decision. I mean, obviously have to get it repaired. What do you guys recommend?
What I recommended to you about the security?
Yeah.
Sir, let me tell you one thing, that if you choose 1 year security, you have to pay $199.99. If you choose 3 year security, you have to pay only $50 more for 3 year security. If I am choose the security, that I will choose 3 year security. And let me tell you one thing, that if you choose 1 year security, you can renew your security for next year only $99.99. Okay?
Okay.
You can renew your security.
Yeah, you guys seem to know what you're doing. I'll go ahead and do the 3 year if that's what you say I should do.
So you want to choose 3 year security?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. the mode of payment is only by check, okay? Because check can be used only one time,
Yeah, yeah, I understand that.
and that is the safe, and that is the safest most in the world because check have a particular number in check, and that is the safest most.
yeah, I understand that,
Okay.
especially since my
Okay.
computer's got the virus, we wouldn't want to use the credit card on it.
Yeah, because credit card and debit card can be used multiple times to others people, those people who are established in your computer.
Yeah.
So you just have to give some details to me, and I will repair your computer. Okay? So
Okay. So you want me to fill out this information here?
yeah,
Okay.
can you type the name of the bank here?
Yeah. Okay.
Your check routing number.
That's the one on the bottom left of the check, right?
Yeah, that is 9 number.
Okay. Yeah, I'll make sure. Yeah. All right. So this one is 121042882. All right.
Oh wait. Your check number, sir.
The check number is 8082.
Okay. No. Okay. Hold a second, sir. Hold a second. There is some problem. I lost your connection, unfortunately. Wait a second. I have to
Uh
connect you again. Okay.
oh. Okay. Do you need me
Wait
to
a
do
second.
the? Okay.
I disconnect. I There is some networking problems. Can you understand me?
Okay. Yeah, I can hear you.
Uh, yeah. Okay. Uh, okay, I got you, sir. I still connected with you. Okay. Now
Okay.
I have to take account number also.
Okay. That is.
Okay, that's fine. Now I'm saving all the details in your computer.
Okay.
Okay. I'm saving all the details at your desktop with the name of tech support and check copy. Now can you see this, sir?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, click on that. Open this.
Okay.
Now I'm saving all the details at your desktop as you can see here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect.
Now I'm giving you all the service. Let me tell you what you are getting. Okay. Okay, sir. Now that is fine.
Okay. Yeah, that works for me because then I have your toll-free number and everything right there on my computer. So
Yeah,
that works.
this is our duty to give all the details. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Now I transfer your remote to my technician. Okay.
Okay.
Of level 80 technician, they will repair your computer. They can build a new firewall for your computer. Okay.
Okay.
Now don't touch your computer for next 45 to 90 minutes because our technician team have to work on your computer for next 45 to 90 minutes. After that, you can use your computer. Whatever you have to do, you can use. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I'll leave it alone and let you guys do what you need to do.
Yeah. You have to do anything. You can do online banking after repairing your computer. After repairing the computer, our technician team will call you after repairing your computer, okay? To
Okay.
inform you that your computer is repaired, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thanks a lot, sir. I now hang up the call. After that, don't touch your computer. Listen me one thing that don't touch your computer for 45 to 90 minutes. Our technician team have to work in this computer. After repairing the computer, our technician team will call you after repairing your computer, okay?
Okay.
Now I hang up the call, okay?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Not a problem. I'll be waiting for your
Okay.
call back.
Okay. Yeah, our technician team will call you. Don't worry, sir. You are still connected with Microsoft.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, thanks. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Okay.
Thank you for calling technical support. This is Martin. How may I help you?
Hi, Martin. I'm looking for Brian at extension 2005.
Thank you, sir. Let me check. Brad is there or not? May I know your first name, please?
Yeah, Michael.
Michael. Okay. So Michael, somebody is working on your computer?
Yeah, I believe someone is.
Okay. So your last name is?
Colvin, Colvin.
Okay. Okay. I'm the person who is working on your computer. Yeah. Your contact number is 209-242-8589, and your postal code is 94612.
Yeah. Yeah. I
Okay.
had a couple questions for him about the check, but I guess you can help me with that if you wanted to.
Yeah. Sure.
So, yeah, I was just wondering if let me get here. Your friend Kassir Pabla in New Jersey, is he just the middleman that passes the money over to you guys in India?
No. Our headquarters is in Virginia. I'll show you the address. It's on the screen. New Jersey.
Then you
It's
just said Virginia, and now you changed it to New Jersey.
No,
Are you
sir.
getting your lies
Virginia is
mixed up?
No, sir. Virginia is our headquarters. Okay. I'm right now working in Virginia, but the headquarters is in New Jersey.
Okay, I
Are
see.
you
I
getting
see.
me? That's in your address 165 Quiet Road.
So you're in Virginia. I have a really hard time believing that.
Sorry.
I have a really hard time
If you
believing
wanna
that you're in
talk,
Virginia.
if you want to talk to that person, I will transfer a call to him.
Oh,
Brad,
can I
alright?
talk to Kassar Pabla?
Yeah. Sorry.
Kassar Pabla? Is that who you were
who
going to
is it?
transfer me to?
No, Bran. I'm just the person to whom you talked.
Oh.
Bran.
Okay. Yeah, you can transfer me to
Yeah.
him too.
Okay. May I place you on hold for 1 to 2 minutes?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for being a line, sir. You are speaking to Brian. How may I help you?
Hi, Brian. It's Michael.
Yeah. Sir, tell me what happened.
Yeah, Kassar Singh Pabla, your man in New Jersey, is about to get a knock on the door from the
Uh-huh.
police
Okay.
because you're a scammer. Is that clear enough for you?
No, sir. What is happening? Can you tell me clearly?
What is happening? Yeah, I will explain to you clearly. My name is not Michael. You're not going to learn my real name. And here's my gig: is I call tech support scammers, and I hunt them down, and I figure out where they're located. And if I'm lucky, and they've got a contact here in the United States, which you do, Tarnjit Pabla and Kassar Singh Pabla, I report them to the authorities.
What? Okay, wait, sir, wait. Let me transfer this call to my manager. They will tell you each and everything. Okay?
Okay, yeah.
They will clear. They will clear all the doubts. Okay?
Well, I'm sure the sheriff's department in Camden County, New Jersey, will clear it all up. But yeah, you can transfer me to your manager.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm the senior technician on the floor.
Oh, you're the
Can
senior
I explain
technician
the
on the
problem?
floor. No, there's no problems. I was just letting your friend know that your cohort. What's his name? I don't know if you know him. There's so many of you guys. Kassar Singh Pabla, or maybe Tarnjit Pabla, or Mempreet Pabla in New Jersey. Any of those names ring a bell?
What are you saying? Can you please repeat?
Oh yeah. Do any of these names? Do you recognize any of these names? Kassar Pabla, Tarnjit Pabla, or Mempreet Pabla?
Just hold on, sir. Let me connect you to my supervisor.
Okay.
Who is with you?
I didn't get you.
What?
I didn't get you. You were telling.
Oh, I'm not sure who I'm talking to. Was I just transferred again?
You're talking. Yep, you're talking to the Ricky, who is the supervisor on the floor. How can I help you?
Oh, yeah. I was asking if any of these names sounded familiar to you. Kasar Pabla, Tarnjeet Pabla, or Manpreet Pabla?
No.
None of those sound familiar.
Who all they are?
They're the ones at your address at 165 Quiet Road, Sicklerville, New Jersey.
All right.
They're your friends there that own the company? You don't know them? I didn't figure you would. There's so many people involved in your scams.
Just get me a minute, sir.
Okay.
Hey, this is Adam. How can I help you?
This is Adam, you said?
Yes, I'm the floor manager. How may I help you, sir?
I thought I was just talking to the floor manager.
I'm the senior manager, sir. You just transferred the call to me. How can I help you?
You're the double senior manager. Okay. I just had a question. If you recognized any of these names, Kasar Pabla, Tarnjeet Pabla, or Manpreet Pabla?
Not exactly, sir.
No, you don't recognize those?
Not exactly, sir.
Oh, they're just I didn't figure you would. There's just so many people involved in your scams. They're the ones that live in Sicklerville, New Jersey. I figure they're probably the ones that pass the money on to you guys in India. Are you guys in Punjab? Is that where you guys are?
Right, sir?
Yeah, you're in Punjab?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I figured as much. I've been doing a little bit of digging on your friend Kasar Pabla. I realize you might not be familiar with him, but I don't know. Maybe it was
Maybe I'm not, sir.
I'm sorry, I can't pronounce this. Is it Gobindpur, Punjab? Does that sound
Sir.
familiar?
Any of the names that you're taking right now, I'm not familiar with them.
Okay, but the city, I believe it's a city in Punjab. Gobindpur, Gobindpur.
Correct. You got it.
Is that's where you guys are located?
Right, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just getting all my information straight before I pass this on to the law enforcement in New Jersey to arrest your friend. So thank you for letting me know all of that information. It's very helpful for the authorities.
Great, sir. Thank you, sir. Anything else I can do for you?
No, that's great. I've got to make some calls out to New Jersey now. Thank you.
Great. Thank you. Bye-bye.
You guys will not believe this. As I was live tweeting this ridiculous call, a viewer who lives in New Jersey reached out to me and told me he was friends with the prosecutor's office in Camden County. We're turning over all of the information I gathered to the authorities, and I think Michael is about to ruin one more life. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, be sure to slam that big red subscribe button down below, and if you're feeling extra adventurous, throw me a like and a follow on Twitter. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next week.